How to borrow money from Opay. First of all, you have to open up the application and log in with your credentials. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of the interface and tap on Finance. After that, at the top section, look for the loan section and then tap on it. Now, you have to choose the loan amount that you need, depending on what is available based on your account status and eligibility. Once you choose the loan amount, tap for apply. After that, it's gonna ask you for the details. So provide all the required details like the loan amount, the repayment schedule, and loan purpose. After that, carefully check the interest rates, fees, and repayment terms before proceeding. Confirm your understanding of all the terms and conditions. Now, you have to submit your loan application. After filling out all the details, submit your loan application and then Opay will process your application. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you will be approved. And once you are approved, the loan amount will be credited to your Opay wallet or linked bank account. Then you will receive a notification confirming the loan is received. And that's how you can borrow money from Opay. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.